Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by picking where the photos will live: local drive, external HDD, or cloud. Once chosen, open your email and filter for attachments by type or sender to surface photo messages quickly. Make sure your email shows remote content and attachments so images appear. Now select messages in batches. Don't grab one at a time. Use multi-select or search results. Download attachments to a temporary folder named for the backup session so you can organize them next. Once your attachments are visible, use a desktop email client or webmail bulk download feature to save them all to the temporary folder. After downloading, sort into dated or event-named folders. YIMMDD or sender event works best for later searching. If files are HEIC, convert to JPG with a batch tool or cloud service to ensure compatibility. Keep originals if space permits. Finally, deduplicate quickly with a checksum tool or duplicate finder, so you avoid storing the same. You're almost done. Copy the organized folders to the final destination and verify file counts match the originals. Open a sample selection to confirm integrity. Make an automated sync or scheduled backup, daily or weekly, so new email photos are captured without manual work. Once verified, you can safely archive or delete attachments in email. If something goes wrong, check that images aren't blocked by settings, confirm attachment size limits, and try re-downloading from webmail or the sender's original message.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.